Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to save Instagram draft on your camera roll. First, let's go into Instagram. Then you're simply going to press the plus at the bottom of the screen there to get up the camera icon. And then you can select drafts. It's right beside camera roll. And there you can see I have a draft saved. You simply select it. Then you're going to press next in the top right hand corner. Then after that you're going to press edit right below the draft. Then you're going to press the arrow pointing down. And you'll see saved. And then you can close out of this. And if you should go into your camera roll, you can see the draft has been saved. There it is. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.